Can science identify the creator? Without question, there's compelling scientific evidence that demonstrates a creator must have played a role in the origin and the design of the universe and the origin and the design of life. And when I present this evidence to audiences, I'm often met with this question: why do you conclude that this creator, this designer, must be the God of the Bible? Well, I'm of the opinion that not only can science tell us that a creator exists, but also can tell us who that creator is. Let me explain. What we've learned from astronomy is that the universe has a beginning, that matter, energy, space, and time all had a beginning at the same time. This is called the singularity event, which means that whatever caused the universe must exist outside the universe, must be independent of the universe, and must be powerful enough to bring the universe into existence. This would be a transcendent cause. We also see design in the fine-tuning of the constants of physics, design in biochemistry, design in biology, and design is something that comes from a personality, from a person. In other words, this is a transcendent personal cause that brought the universe and life into existence. We also note that when we look at biochemical systems and biological systems, there is a universality to them, that biochemical systems are universal in living systems. There are shared designs, that we see shared designs or a universality to cell biology. We even see universality to anatomical and physiological systems in multicellular organisms. In other words, this means that there must have been a single personal transcendent creator, not multiple gods, as some people have suggested. We also see that the laws of nature are constant, which means that this creator must be unchanging, must be righteous, must be faithful. And then last but not least, we also recognize something rather eerie, that the designs that we create and invent as human designers are remarkably similar to the designs that we see in biochemical systems and in biological systems, which makes sense if there is some kind of resonance between the human mind and the divine mind, which could be explained if human beings are made in God's image. If we are made in God's image, then God is a creator and we are creators ourselves. So in other words, when we look at the attributes that we can infer from nature about who that creator is, it aligns very closely with what we'd expect if that creator is the God of the Bible, the creator described in the Old and the New Testaments. And the fact that we, again, seem to mimic this creator in what we do as human designers gives further credence to the biblical account of human origins, in that we are made in God's image, implying that we are made to be in some kind of relationship with that creator. So in other words, not only can science tell us there must be a creator, it tells us that this creator must be the God of the Bible and that we have been created as human beings to be in a relationship with that God.